As you know, there's a lot of different types of fruits and veggies out there. With the advent of technology and science, we've also have created fake fruit, as some people will call it, or man-made fruit. But I've noticed that every time people talk about fake fruit and veggies or man-made, they think GMOs. The thing is, there's a lot of quote-unquote fake fruits or man-made fruits and veggies that are not GMO per se, meaning that they were not modified in a lab, they're not bad for you, or for the purpose of just growing a bunch of them for no reason. So let's go into a few fruits and veggies out there and let's understand how they evolved. The first one is the banana. Originally wild banana, or the MUSA barbiciana, its scientific name, had really large and hard seeds. The tree didn't have many fruit. We got to the banana from the breeding of the MUSA barbiciana and the MUSA acuminata, which was a smaller type of banana. And it was done by farmers. Just naturally, farmers tried different things, bred those two, and realized that they were getting more fruit. And we evolved from the original wild banana to the banana that we use today. Another one is the corn. We are not 100% sure of how it evolved, but scientists do believe that corn was developed in central Mexico from a wild grass called TEOSINTE over 7,000 years ago. Corn could only survive from human protection. It couldn't just grow in the wild. So from human intervention and human protection, we've been able to go from the TEOSINTE to the corn as we know it today. Another loved fruit, highly consumed today, is the watermelon. Scientists have found seeds of watermelon that have dated over 5,000 years ago, and it seemed like they are originally from Libya. But at the time, the fruit was bitter and pale in color. The current version of watermelon is actually issued from multiple breeding. Watermelon was essentially used back in the days for its high concentration in water. It was actually bitter, but because it was rich in water, people loved it. So they bred it in many different ways to get a better taste of the watermelon so that they could get both the water content and the sweeter fruit. Did you know that carrots were originally white and actually purple? Nowadays, when we see those different color carrots, especially the purple one, we think that's a new type of carrots, but those are actually the original carrots. Carrots were mainly grown for the leaves for a long time, and then in the 17th century, the Dutch actually bred carrots to create the orange color that we know today in honor of the Orange NASSAU dynasty, which was the leading family in Netherlands. From there, they just kept farming orange carrots and it became the normal color of the carrot. Also, oranges were actually born from a crossing of mandarin and pomelos. And eggplants are actually called eggplants because the original eggplant was small and white like an egg. That's where the name comes from. So many of the fruit and vegetables that we consume today are a result of crossbreeding and evolution. Although many of them existed in nature, they did not exist in the shape, form, taste that we know today, and they were altered for better taste, better production, and sometimes evolution and nature just did its own work. If you have any more questions or want to know more about any fruit, let me know below, and let's be back here for another video soon. Thank you. Bye.